Hello, Richard here from Equal6 Airsoft. We are going to be doing some testing on this Gc16, which is the G&G gun, and this one has, so we've done some very targeted work, so there's no service or anything. We went in and first we installed a Prometheus Type ball barrel, 318mm, and then we installed the Psionic R hop. We then went and range tested and made sure everything was all seated correctly and shooting straight and at the correct distance. And then obviously once that was then done, we then installed a power spring inside, and we brought the FPS up to the customer's ammo. So we've done most of our testing on 2.8s, and it was like I say, we brought it up right to the limit, so it's about 295 I think on 2.8s, which is quite high up there. So so we hope that goes really well for you, and if you obviously decide to use sort of heavier ones, obviously that's good to be that high. But yeah, we hope you enjoy, and also I'll just quickly demonstrate it working after doing the work. One thing I would suggest though is at some point it was quite dirty inside, and definitely could do with a Reshim, if you know what I mean. So even though it's obviously working now, so I would possibly recommend a full service in the future. There we go, all tested working. Thank you very much.